nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So this look, or this video, is going to be another makeup look. Because I'm just trying to crank out as many as I can before I get super lazy during my Lunar New Year vacation. Because I feel like I'm not going to do anything, but then again I might, I don't know. And also, I've come up with all these ideas, and this one is going to be a Valentine's Day look without using any color related to Valentine's Day. So there will be no pinks, no reds, no purples, but it is still a look that you can do if you have a date, if you're going out, if you're trying to seduce somebody. I don't know your business. I'm just letting you know that you can rock this look on Valentine's Day. It doesn't have to be pink and red. But with that being said, let's get started. And this is the finished look. I wound up choosing the brown lip. At first I didn't know what I was gonna do. Then I changed my clothes and fed my cat and I just said, why not brown? So, although with this look you don't have to do a brown lip, I just felt like Cloudscape from ColourPop would be perfect for the color, to match the colors on my eyes. Again, if you do this look or something similar, you do not have to use brown. It's just something I decided to do, and I like this look, even though it's a VDay look that's not the traditional reds, pinks, purples, etc., etc. Only because so many people, no offense, like I love it, I love seeing it, but so many people are doing reds and pinks right now, and there are lots of people in the world who don't like to wear red on their eyes or like to wear pink on their eyes, so they would like to have different color options and choices, and I'm presenting you with a different color option. I actually like it. That's the Kathleen Lights Dream St palette from ColourPop, by the way, and I really like, I think Kaleidoscope is my favorite shade in that palette. That and what is it? Sweet Dreams? I think that's like that red coral shade. So I think I like Sweet Dreams and Kaleidoscope the most in that palette. Although Mermaid Boy, which is the color here, that's also growing on me. And the, whoops, had a phone call. But the darker shade here is called Potion. So that's it for this video. I really like this look. I hope you like this look too. If you want to see more non-traditional VDay looks, let me know in the comments, and I will see you next time. Bye.